How to download and install Trust Wallet app. So if you want to download and install Trust Wallet app, then first of all open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And now you can go for the upper side, which has that search bar, and search for Trust Wallet. And after searching here, you will have this Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet, right? So you can simply tap on that install button, which is on the blue color. And after tapping on install, it will start installing. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once it's downloaded, you will have open button. Simply tap on that open. And now you can go for get started. And here you can create a new wallet or you can add an existing wallet. So that's it. That's how you download and install Trust Wallet application on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.